Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have spoilers for the BoxyCharm December Premium Box, the Luxe Box, and the Base Box. So strap in and get ready for this one, y'all. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was the December Ipsy bags revealed. Congratulations, Pauline Lang. Pauline says, hi, Mandy, get better soon. Well, thank you, Pauline. I'm feeling a little bit better today. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and dive in. First, I'm going to show you what you're going to be getting in your December base box. Now you will receive one of these mini palettes by Storybook Cosmetics. You'll either be getting the Little Red Riding Hood, which is that red book palette right there, or you'll be getting the Robin Hood palette, which is that green book palette right there. Next is BoxyCharm, the December Premium Box. Now, these are going to be choice items, guys. You'll either get the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette or the Storybook Cosmetics Little Briar Rose palette. Now, in the Luxe box, if you are subscribed to the BoxyLuxe box, you will be getting the Hidden Treasures palette unless you go into the choice items and override it, guys. You would rather have the Little Briar Rose palette, otherwise you'll be getting the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures palette. So that's up to you, whichever palette you want, guys. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'm going to keep you guys updated. Now, this one just come out today, so I had to go ahead and get this one out. That way, y'all can choose your palettes and stuff. As always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Sandra Finney. Sandra says, hi, Mandy. Hope you feel better and love your videos. Well, thank you so much, Sandra. Again, I'm feeling a little bit better today, and I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, my likes, my comments. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload. You'll be on top of all the spoilers. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.